Oh my gosh, so get this. I just purchased Tesla at the beginning of this year. It was only like $80. I'm ready to cash out. I am going to be so rich. Give me my money. Are you absolutely sure that you want to sell all of this awesome Tesla stock? Yes, I'm sure. Give me my money. I deserve it. Okay. Your wish is my command. Oh my God, this is out of control, guys. This is so good. Oh, hi, yes, I'm from the US federal government to owe your taxes for that Tesla stock. Oh wait, what do you mean I owe you 24%? Thank you, I'll see you on your next sale. Stop, because that's the very last thing you want to do is sell your Tesla stock too early and end up paying more money. So if you already own Tesla stock or you're thinking of buying more, today's video is all about helping you save money on the taxes that come along with selling the stock. Guys, by now you know the drill. Go ahead and tap that like button down below, hit that subscribe and ring the bell so that way you don't miss the next video coming right here to the channel to help you. Okay, this is really cool. I'm gonna give some credit to nerdwallet.com. They have a calculator and it really makes it easy to understand what kind of tax rate you're gonna get hit with if you decide to sell this. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I just found NerdWallet to be very well put together, so hats off to them and a free tip for you, my friend. If you bought Tesla, I'm gonna give you an example and we're gonna go through a quick calculation here. So let's say back in January of 2020, you bought into Tesla, okay? And it was $88.60 on January 3rd, and you decided to buy 100 shares. So $88.60 times 100 shares, pretty easy math, $8,860 was spent on Tesla. And now you own 100 shares. Congratulations. Well, as of today, I just looked it up. It's now going for $524.09 per share. You still have your 100 shares, which means your portfolio value is worth a whopping $52,409. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I'm sure you're pretty excited, and so am I for you. Anyway, here's the deal. A lot of people get into these things. They look at Tesla and they're like, get rich quick. I'm going to make so much money on Tesla. No, you don't want to do that. You're going to end up actually spending more money than you could actually keep if you just hold on for dear life. Just hold on for a second and focus on the timing of when you bought the share. For example, if you bought it in January, my suggestion is wait until at least February 2021 to sell any of this stock. If you sell it in less than a year, you're gonna get hit with something called the short-term capital gain tax. And you do not wanna do that. You wanna avoid that like the plague. If you sell it after a year, guess what? You're only gonna have to deal with the long-term capital gain, which is a lot less money, a lot less percentage of tax rate. And I'm gonna take you through and do a quick calculation. So I'm going to record my iPad screen. I'm gonna put it up over here for you. So that way you can check it out and follow along with me. Here is the good old nerdwallet.com. So it kind of talks you a little bit through short-term and long-term capital gains. But let's talk about this for a second right here. If you're a single filer and you make, after your deductions, your income is $100,000 a year, look at that. Your long-term capital gains tax rate would be 15%. Now guess what? If you sell it in less than a year from the date that you purchased Tesla as a single filer, you can see right here's the new graph. Oh, you're gonna get hit if you make $100,000. Look at that right there, 24%. So you go from 15% to 24% simply because you sold it in less than a year from the date you purchased it. So I'm gonna go back here and I wanna do a little calculation based on our example. Here's what's cool about NerdWallet. They have this nice little calculator down here. So do you remember how we purchased this? It was $8,860 worth of Tesla on January 3rd, and we're gonna sell it today for a total of $52,409, because that is freaking awesome. Now, we've made $100,000 this year. That's going to calculate our tax bracket. And what we're going to do is we're going to say more than 1 year. So if we go down here, because we're a single filer, you can choose this. Obviously, if you're married filing jointly or all that, you can choose the different selections if you wish to do so. But our estimated capital gains tax amount is, come on, $6,532. So if you sell this, you get your $52,000, subtract out $6,532 for the great old Uncle Sam. Well, if you are greedy and you sell it today in November, 1 year or less, look at that, $10,451. You've gone from $6,500 to $10,400. Almost $4,000 extra that you're paying just because you're selling it today. So there's a couple things you need to ask yourself. Is it worth it to sell it today versus waiting until February. Now, February, it could go up even more. You got to look at a lot of different factors. Are you willing to put up the extra money to sell it today? Or can you just be patient, wait for the full year so you can take advantage of long-term capital gain tax versus short-term capital gains tax? That's going to be the trick of the trade. I'm going to include the link to the NerdWallet calculator that we shared today in the description below. Make sure you check that out. If you haven't bought Tesla yet, Robinhood is offering a free stock simply for just signing up. Link is also down below in the description so you can get started with Robinhood and maybe you'll get Tesla. It's like a 1 in 300 chance, but you'll get some type of stock probably valued at $5. But money's money, guys. So at the end of the day, you own Tesla, you're gonna buy more Tesla, wait a year. If you're not willing to wait a year, you got to question, am I confident in this company? If you're afraid that the market's going to fall down and Tesla's going to go down to the bottom of the rocks, well, then you need to ask yourself, is it worth buying it? Or am I okay giving Sam some extra money as opposed to giving Uncle Sam less money because I was just patient? That's going to be the trick of the trade, guys. Maximize the money in your pocket by simply using this tax method. Now, I'm not a tax expert, of course, there's always a disclaimer down below in the description, but most importantly, I hope this helped you. If it helped you and I'm saving you money, all I ask is that you just tap the like button on the video. It helps the video, it helps the channel, and I certainly appreciate it. Other than that, guys, as always, continue to live your sweet life because you're worth it. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time.